Guys, my name is Crystal and welcome to my gaming channel. And today we're going to eat in Jollibee. Oh my god, I love to eat in Jollibee, guys. I love to eat in Jollibee. Kita nyo naman, guys, di ba? Sa Jollibee tayo. So we're going to eat it. Going to eat in here. Oh my god. So, bago tayo magsimula, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah! So, come on na, guys. I'm excited na. Oh, it's Jollibee. Oh my god. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. I'm scared right now. Alam nyo ba, guys? Hindi ko alam kung it's real. Pero, I watch Jollibee. Tas naging mumu. Ay. Joke. Charot. So, let's eat na, guys. I'm hungry na. Let's order na, guys. I'm gonna order na. Ate, pila ako, ha. Pipila ako, ate. I'm gonna order na. Hello. Welcome to Jollibee. May I take your order? Sure po, I'm gonna order burgers. I want bacon cheeseburger. Chicken joy. I love the I love spaghetti with chicken. I love this. Super meal at saka breakfast. Kain tayo ng kaya? Magdagdag tayo ng ng hotdog breakfast. Ayoko yan, guys. Ayoko yan. Uy, ito. Favorite ko to. I love chicken nugget. Pero, hindi chicken nugget bibin natin. O may cheese pa. Tapos bili tayo ng jumbo fries. We're going Sunday din, guys. Coke float. Bili tayo Coke float. Yan. I just take my order. Let's place our order, guys. Okay, please wait for your order. Thank you. So, guys, we're going to wait na. Hanap tayo na upuan natin. Ano to? Dito lang tayo, guys. Ay, wag na rin ako dyan, guys. Ang dumi ng upuan. Oh my god. Ayan na, guys. Ayan na. Ayan na yung food natin. So, guys, ayoko dito. Papaklin lang natin tong table natin, ang dumi eh. What is this? Ayoko dyan, guys. Hanap tayo ng malinis na chair. Oh my god. So, may kasama tayo, guys. Sino to? Si Abby. So, that's place lang natin tong Coke. Ay, muna yan. Ito muna ng bacon. Yan. Bango ah. Ang bango, guys ah. So, yan, guys. We're going to eat na. Yan na. I'm gonna eat na. Yum yum, sarap. Sarap, guys, ang sarap. Sarap. Let's taste this burger, guys. Sarap, guys, ang sarap. Ang sarap, guys, ang sarap. Oh my god. I wanna taste this burger. Ang sarap. Kailangan, guys, ubusin natin to. Kainin natin. bilisan ko kumain.
Guys, ubos na yung isang news packet natin, yung chicken natin. So yun guys, need natin, oh my god. I'm very hungry kaya naubos namin to. Di ba ako naka-order ng drinks guys, order tayo mamaya. Para may drinks tayo. Oh my god guys. So, okay wow. Ito pa tayo guys, may burger tayo. I'm going to eat this kasi favorite ko yung burger. Guys, kung favorite niyo yung Jollibee, comment nyo mga sa comment section kung favorite niyo yan. Tapos join na kayo sa Angelus article guys. Join na kayo guys. Sa community ko yung maghahanap kasi ako ng member for roleplay. Okay? So guys, I hope you're gonna join to me guys. I don't have friends to join. Okay? I hope to join guys. I hope you're going to join. Sarap na guys ha. Sarap. Tingnan nyo na sa community ko guys looking kasi ako ng members guys. Okay, 13 to 15 years old siya guys ha. Need na lang naman if comment dun sa community ko kung gusto nyo sumali, okay? Masarap guys ha. Yum yum yum. Masarap. Oh my god. Sana like this. Hindi kaya ako tumaba na to guys. Mag-exercise na tayo. Yan. Last bite. Tapos inom tayo nito. Ay, I have fries pa. Sarap itong fries. I like this. Wow, yummy. Sarap ha. Okay guys, natin minsan. Yun. Guys yung, Diyos ko guys, apakabilis ko kumain guys. Very fast. Baka mabulon ako, inom na ako lang. Mabulon ako. Guys, baka mabulon tayo guys. Guys, I can't going to make this. Oh my god. Inuna ko talaga yung chocolate. Hindi wala ka guys. Oh my god. At very hungry. Very hungry. Pakatawa ko. Ano to guys? Ubus na to guys. Oh my god. Dami ko makain nyo sa Jollibee guys. Favorite talaga yan. Basta. Oh my god. Favorite talaga nila Jollibee guys. I have 5 pa pala guys. I have 5. I can touch it. Guys, I gonna full na ako. Lumaki na yung chan ng ate niyo, oh. Kaya yun, lumaki na yung chan. Order tayo ng na juice. I need this coke lang. Place natin yung order natin guys. Coke lang naman. Meron tayong pinamain. See you in my next video. Bye.